Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change encoder to GPU in Metal TV. So you want to head over to the Metal TV application and simply inside, you want to click on the setting button. Now there's another shortcut to the settings right here. But before that, you want to head over to the quality option, and from here, we have the necessary settings to change to our GPU. Now, if you want to get there even faster, you can just click on this specific button right here, which is going to be the quality and the FPS. Click on manage quality and voila, you're here. Now you want to scroll down until you find the video encoder option. You want to select GPU and then you want to select the specific GPU that you want to use as the video encoder. In my case, I have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 3060 Ti. From there, you can just hit on the save button or the custom button, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.